The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending force since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this destruction before it can turn beneficial. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Vantage ALGO. The huge potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least charges. Algorand's shrewd agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are coordinated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, absolution, security, and cost viability. AS can naturally authorize custom guidelines and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. AS are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand brilliant agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and feelings of the dealers and financial backers. Thus, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes imperative. Algorand coin has seen a ton of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top associations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this association, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources technique, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally joined forces with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant association is among Algorand and Symbol. With this incorporation, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP coordination. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more assorted and dynamic. In addition to that, the aeronautics organization Air Europa has declared that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be essential for this coordinated effort and assist with circulating Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock dissemination and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other gigantic foundations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipBounce Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and security of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. Yearly Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2030. The brain science of brokers assumes a significant part in market feeling. Crypto costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's outlook towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. Hence, never neglect to do definite examination on a crypto forecast prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand weights around 21 cents with a market capitalization of $1,549,679,356 with a circling supply of $7,127,274,136 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This methodology can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold, however fizzle. Before the cost could recover energy, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. A habitually noticed quality of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most inconsistent and fluctuating conduct like other cryptographic forms of money. The brain research of clients extraordinarily drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, beneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of dim days at its cost showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise serenely around 33 cents with a most extreme cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. ALGO Coin Value Forecast 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect huge development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent cost. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has previously taken on the POS component, and in this manner has huge development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception in the past push the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various ventures based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. ALGO Value Expectation 2027. With organizations in local areas subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18. Which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand gauge, yet unquestionably possible as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. ALGO Crypto Value Forecast 2028. In view of the expectations, the ALGO coin might have a base cost of 96 cents with a most extreme cost of $1.38 for the year 2020.